guys, and welcome back to another video. For today's video, I will be demonstrating how to mini twist with false hair and achieve a natural look. I love this look because it's a protective style, and if you're someone that maybe has short hair but love natural looks, I do highly recommend that you do try this look. So I used 1 pack of twisted up springy afro twists, edge booster, and Cantu's twist and lock moisturizer. Now what I'm doing, I'm just adding some edge booster to the roots so it can give it a hold. Okay, so I'm taking a piece of hair and I'm going to cut it in the middle and cut it in half. I'm taking the amount that I need to put in my hair. You don't want a large piece. You want like a medium size, medium smallish piece. You don't want to use too much or the twists will look huge. Unless you want huge twists, it's completely up to you. But this is how it should look. It should look a little thick, but still look kind of small. Okay, so I'm now parting my hair. You guys see that I'm parting it to begin braiding the top, and I'm going to be braiding my real hair. As you're braiding, hold the top of the hair. So you guys see where my finger is? Let me show you. So I'm braiding my hair, and look at my index finger. It's going to be well, you guys can, yeah, you see that? It's gonna hold it, like you're gonna hold it so it won't be loose. You're gonna hold it at the top as you continue braiding. So now I'm going to be adding the hair into the middle part of the middle strand of the braids. The last strand, I'm going to continue braiding the regular way. And the last strand, I'm going to attach it to the other piece of hair and just braid. That's it. Nothing changes, just continue braiding. As you're braiding, do the same method as before. Hold on to it, like push it up with your finger, with your index finger if you can. Just hold it or try to push it up so it doesn't come down and become very loose. I do highly recommend you just braid in the same spot. Just braid in the same spot, because if you continue braiding lower, your braids are going to show more than the twists. So try to braid in the same spot and braid like 2-3 times with the false hair, and then continue twisting. I think for this one, I think I continue braiding a bit longer, but that's not what you should do. Now what I'm going to do is add the twist lock and gel when I start twisting the hair so it can curl the hair. What I like to do is pull a strand of hair from whichever section of hair so it doesn't try to unravel. It's like basically knotting it. So I like to pull a section of hair and just continue twisting. I'm just going to cut the ends to make sure that it aligns with the rest of the hair so the inches can match. And just continue twisting. Pretty much it. And I just twist the ends so the hair doesn't try to unravel. This is it. This is the outcome. I'm going to show you guys some more pieces. I'm going to do some more to give you guys a better demonstration, because I think the first one was not it. So I think as you guys continue watching these clips, you'll get a better understanding. This is it, guys. This is the finishing look. I am so in love with my hair, and I do plan on keeping this hairstyle in for maybe like 2-3 months, you know, just because I want my real hair to grow, and this is a very good natural hairstyle look. Girls, when I tell you guys this was mad cute, even though some of them I did extend the braiding, it still looks natural. Like, you still cannot see it. Like, just look at how I'm feeling myself right now. Like, that just goes to show you that I am dumb mad in love with my hairstyle. Like, this is the first hairstyle that I've ever tried for a while that actually came out the way I wanted it. All right, guys, so I'm gonna end this video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I helped you guys a lot in this tutorial.